Honorable international juries, founder of the Global Unitalks Worldwide Global Unitalks family, speakers, live audiences, ladies and gentlemen, I am Unitalk speaker. Today I'm here to share about a topic very close to my heart, a bold action I want to inspire the world with. Action is the beginning of leadership movement for a better future. The catalyst of the change lies in young leaders and who have been exposed to various societies' environments. Do you ever ask yourself what is one of the worst problems with humanity today? There are quite a few, but let us focus on this conflict between countries and humans. Over the past decade, the number of violent political conflicts worldwide has increased dramatically. This alarming development is upending the way we apportion humanitarian resources. Today, conflict is the number one driver of extreme poverty and hunger. Unless political leaders show their will to prevent the end of crisis, little will change for the millions of children, women, and men who are caught up in this crisis. My wish is to put a stop to this once and for all, to encourage people to say no to any sort of conflicts. I plan to achieve this through a number of bold steps and with the help of others around. Bold leadership would be very useful in settling aside differences raised in political positions and to guide the decision making that supports the humanity of others. Leaders should use their positions to deliver better outcomes for people in need and thus promote understanding and subdue conflicts. National governments, regional and international organizations can be made more proficient in identifying early signs of human rights violations and deteriorating situations and thus be willing to act before situations worsen further. We must encourage governments to be more open and inclusive, especially of the young people who are the future political and economic engines of their countries. Good governance goes beyond better government and is the healthy interaction between government, business, and civic society. Without good economic growth, no gain in health, education, and social welfare will be sustainable. Furthermore, market forces can promote peace. Establishing a stable economic environment can be very useful in helping people return to normal life more quickly after conflicts. Encouraging people to be more accepting and understanding of other religions and cultures will reduce much hatred and thus we can avoid conflicts as well. It is my utmost belief that these steps will work wonders to reduce global conflicts if they can be implemented in best possible ways. Being bold and taking bold actions means stepping outside of one's own comfort zone, in swallowing any fear of doubt and doing it anyway. Whether that means starting one's own business, simply focusing on what you value most in life, or making big changes to the world and humanity, the steps you take are the first of the most to make a change for you and others around you. If you like this speech, please do vote for me and thank you all for listening.